Introduce quick overview and highlight features of WORX WG604 13Amp, 2240 max PSI 1.93 max GPM electric pressure washer with rolling cart. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Every homeowner should have a pressure washer. The WORX 1600 PSI 13Amp pressure washer makes keeping the exterior of your home, and your entire property, easy to keep clean. You'll save time, and a whole lot of energy blasting away at your driveway and deck, or siding and brickwork, or your cars or SUVs. Is the RV filthy from last weekend? Not after a few seconds with this pressure washer, it's not. So many uses, so many ways to keep your stuff clean. It comes with 3 different nozzles for various different cleaning applications, and a brass quick connector so you can easily switch between them. The 40-degree nozzle widens the coverage area of the spray for large area debris removal. The soap nozzle is for when your target is really dirty. The turbo nozzle is for hard surfaces like the driveway. But the best part about this power washer is that it's easy to use. Not only does it have wheels to make it quicker to cart around, it's the perfect amount of pressure for a single user. Some industrial strength pressure washers belong on fire trucks, but the WORX 1600 PSI washer delivers a mighty force of water, thanks to its powerful 13-amp motor, but it won't knock you back into the bushes. It's been engineered to take all its pressure and direct it out and away from the user, and towards the poor deck furniture or vehicles it's about to clean. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.